Welcome to another episode of Island Shorts, and this one I'm going to cover really quickly some options to mount phones and accessories to your bikes. And I know there's a ton of stuff out there on the market, but for a while now I've been using Ultimateaddons and their various accessories. I find them really well made, lots of different options for phones and camera mounts. Anyway, I've recently been using you can just see it here, kind of a bodge job to mount my GoPro onto my screen, and it's not ideal. It vibrates a lot and it's a bit of a hash when I come to put it together. So Ultimateaddons have kindly sent me some bits, and this is the mirror attachment arm for a ball mount joint and the accompanying GoPro mount. So we're going to mount it to my Tracer. Although it's a mirror mount, I'm not actually going to mount it to the mirror. So I'm going to mount it onto this bar, this accessory bar. So this is an aftermarket Givi accessory bar designed specifically for the Tracer. Right, so step one, as if there are a number of steps to this, probably not, is going to get rid of this horrible naff mount. I have in my pocket a pair of cutters. I'm just going to cut this thing off. As I say, it was never meant to be a permanent fixture. It was always a temporary mod until I found something better, and it's now safe to say I have found something better. This is for the rear facing one that I use, and I've never really been happy with it on the Tracer, wherever I've managed to put it, so I'm going to need to clean that up in a bit. The only bit I'm going to salvage from this is the GoPro mount itself. Let's have a look at what we've got in the box. So, mirror attachment, compatible with 860mm diameters. Okay, I think this is about 12mm, that bar, if you get that particular one. Just pop the box open. Have the ball mount itself. All of the necessary tools to do the job. You've got to love Ultimateaddons for that. That's absolutely brilliant. So we've got 2 screws in there for either side, a couple of blanking plugs for the holes, and then 2 Allen keys at the top. So as you can see there's 2 little Allen key bolts just in there. That's going to mount to this, and then I'm going to be able to place a camera on top of there. This is the downside of not having a centre stand, is everything rolls off my seat when I put it down. So I just need to be mindful of that. Super simple install. That is essentially going to go on there. I'm going to put a screw in, set it in the centre, and do it up. Right, that is not going anywhere. And then you get given these 2 little plugs here, and they are even tapered and shaped so that when we put them in the hole, they're not going to collate pools of water. There we go, that's it. How simple. There's obviously a ton of options now that you've got the ball point. You could actually add something to, this being one of them. Big old ram mounts, not by Ultimateaddons, but they do something similar. Right, so that's going to play buggers with the continuity, because in that gap my wife turned back up, so my backdrop is gone. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to fit this one. It is a simple ball joint, so you just simply undo it like so, place the collar on, the ball then snaps in place, and I can simply do up on that collar, and it then tightens the grip around the ball. I'm sure you've seen how these work. I can then place the add-on of my choice, which I've not yet decided which one I'm going to use. It's probably going to be this one, to secure the camera with. I've still got some fine adjustments to do in there. And there you go. I think that's a nice clean install without the need for a whole ton of Meccano. Just straighten that up a little bit. It should look pretty cool. Yeah, I like that. It won't vibrate too much. That bar is generally pretty steady. What I will say is, before you start doing up on that ball joint, once you've installed the mirror mount, it's probably the same for any ball joint, with a thread in it, to take that cap off and just make sure that thread's super tight. I was doing up the ball mount, it wasn't super tight, and it kind of just slipped everything off, so I couldn't tighten anything up. But yeah, there you go. Ultimateaddons, folks, go check them out. So I hope you find that was useful. Drop me a comment if you've got any questions. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.